Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and watch are paired and signed into the same Google account. That syncs preferences. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices so the watch can fetch route data. Tap the Google Maps icon on your Apple Watch Ultra to open it. This initiates the app handshake and downloads recent locations. Make sure your iPhone is awake the first time so the watch receives permission prompts and map tiles quickly. On the watch, speak or use Scribble to set a destination. Voice is faster for long addresses. Once you choose a place, select the travel mode, walking, driving, or transit, because route options and ETA differ by mode. You'll see a quick route preview. Confirm it to avoid detours. Then tap Start to activate turn-by-turn guidance. The watch vibrates for upcoming turns and shows concise directions because it offloads detailed map rendering to your paired iPhone. Follow the haptics and short text prompts on the Ultra. You should glance at the face for the next instruction rather than stare at the map. If you need to pause or reroute, do it directly on the watch for quick changes and make sure to return to the iPhone app for multi-stop edits. If navigation stalls, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, force quick Google Maps on both devices, and relaunch. If that still fails, reinstall the app. This fixes most sync and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.